How to fix Bongo Cat keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library and then you want to right click on Bongo Cat game, go to properties and then go to launch options and type -dx11 like this. Now you want to go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish. Now once this is done, you want to click on the browse button and then find the Bongo Cat exe file, right click on it and then go to properties, compatibility tab and check disable full screen optimizations and check run this program as admin. Click on OK and then close this window. Now you will need to open up your GPU application. For NVIDIA, it's basically NVIDIA app. You'll need to download it and install it if you do not have it already. Then go to drivers section and check for the latest updates. And then make sure to download the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Now once you install it, you will be asked to restart your computer. And once you do that, you should open up Steam again and simply open up the Bongo Cat or launch it again and it should fix the issue. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.